Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to flat iron your hair without getting any damage. First, it all starts with good hair wash. I recommend using a bond building shampoo and a hair mask. Once you have washed your hair, grab a microfiber towel or a t-shirt. Make sure to gently squeeze the excess water out and not over rub the hair. This can cause damage. Make sure to apply heat protector. Today I'll be using the Pureology smoothing cream. Focus on mids and ends of the hair first, then whatever's left over work your way up to the top. Now set your blow dryer on high speed but low heat or cool setting. Now set your blow dryer on high speed but low heat or cool setting. Shake out the hair until it's 80% dry, then switch the heat setting to medium if you have fine hair, and if you have thick hair, make sure you switch it to high. Once it's 90% dry, grab your round brush and start working on the hair. It's important you do a slightly decent job because when you go flat iron the hair, it will be much easier. If you don't have a round brush, you can use any other brush and just make sure you do the wrap method, like how I'm doing it right now. Now it's time to flat iron your hair. Set the heat to 280 if you have fine hair, and for thick hair around 300 to 340 Fahrenheit. Grab a small section and take your time with each piece so you only have to go over it twice. Make sure you use a comb while you're flat ironing the hair. This will get rid of any frizzes. If you see steam or if you see the hair getting stuck slightly towards the length, make sure you lower the heat. To polish it off, I'll be using the L'Oreal Mystic Oil to protect the ends and get rid of any flyaways. And we are all done. Look at these final results. Thank you for watching. Let me know what other tutorials you'd like me to make down on the comment section.